exempting the wealthy and not.
Kamiti ya kigina iri itena-ini ria kurikiria mutaratara wa kungania mawoni ma Akenya megie watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2026 giikaro giki gikibingurwo ni gikundi kia makanitha kuri muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa ACK Jackson Ole Sapit augite mendekithia mao ni aruti a wira marutiro mbeca iria matinagio ni thirikari musara-ini igoti riria rikathikeirio akomborithia a nyumba na kuria thirikari gukathika mitaratara mirumu ya watho niguo kunina ungumania.
The church emphasizes that sustainable development cannot be achieved through taxation alone, but require a productive industries, affordable living conditions, investment-friendly policies, innovation, efficient institution, public accountability, and restoration of trust between citizens and the government.
Hakuna kodi ambayo inaongezewa ya benzi. Hakuna ushuru ambao unaongezewa kwa kodi ya Kenya kabisa katika sheria, katika proposal hii ambayo katika finance bill.
Mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro urio nake kinyetie mbere ya kamiti ino endekithite kunyibio kwa thogora wa maguta mari mathiete na mbere kubinyiriria mu Kenya guku akiendekithia igoti iria kigina kia waki wa barabara rikorwo rikieberio na niguo mbeca icio ikorwo ikierekerio mitaratara-ini ingi yothi wa na mbere.
Through this committee we processed a reduction of tax from 16% to 8% last month. Does it mean that this committee actually wanted the fuel prices to increase?
If we reduce RMLF, the truth is consequently we will have to reduce the money that goes to repair our roads, our constituencies.
Ikundi ingi iria cikinyetie mbere ya kamiti ino ni kambuni ya Safaricom na endia a mitumba. Safaricom makienda thirikari kunyibia igoti iria thogora uria mundu atinagio agituma kana kwamukira mbeca o ndumwe na igoti iria riribagira indo cia mitambo na ukinyaniria riri nao endia a mitumba mendekithitie igoti iria gicunji kia 5% riria marengagwo makigura indo nja wa bururi erethie na mbere.
Proposals on e-mobility goods, and for the one on the phone, we acknowledge that the chair demonstrated that the taxes lead to the drop on phones from 55 to 50%. However, based on the computation,
they give a container to this African person, they ask them to send money directly to their countries. So that's why we made that proposal, so that we can avoid so many people flooding our market with goods and not contributing to the economy and the growth of the country.
Ungania wa mawoni maya no ukuthie na mbere guku muingi ukiurio kwithomera watho wa kigina wa 2026 niguo kwithema kubitithio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV de kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, Jitago Masi wa Dia wa Muriithi.